Hello everyone, I'm Janvi and today in this video I'm going to explain you about ICEGATE, the step-by-step process of registration, what the purpose of the ICEGATE and why do we register here, how can we check the status of our application and all such things. So let's start it. So, what is ICEGATE? So, ICEGATE is an essential account that any organization or the individual entity engaged in international trading businesses or export import businesses. So, you are mandatorily required to have this account in order to contact with the custom department or interact with the custom department. You require to file various sort of documents and you have to do a lot of filings and if you need to avail other benefits as well, you need to have the iState user ID. So there are a lot of benefits, but the thing is that a lot of users are not aware of the technicality of the ice gate, and because of that, there are a lot of login problems they face while doing the registration on the portal, and there are different types of errors. So today in this video, I'm going to explain you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you just need to watch this video and then everything will be sorted out. Okay. So first, what is the ICEGATE and what is the purpose of the ICEGATE? So ICEGATE is the Indian Custom Electronic Gateway. So it is an electronic gateway of Indian Customs Department, where the exporter, importer, or the entity engaged in the international trading business are contact with the Indian Customs Department. So if they need to file a lot of different documents or to pay the Indian Customs duty or the other duty as well, so they can use the facility provided on this particular website. This website is managed by the CBIC, Central Bureau of Indirect Taxes and Customs, and initially, earlier, there was a lot of paperwork, and you have to file everything manually. And because of that, then there was the clearance delay you have to face, and the administrative cost is also very much high. And the revenue collection of the government is also not much efficient, and because of a lot of leakage and delay problem. So iState has streamlined the business process and streamlined this entire process basically, because it provides a lot of benefits not only to the government but also to the businesses, and also provide the employment opportunity and a lot of different benefits to the to all the users that are engaged with this facility. So, the very purpose of this website, the services that they provide, like if you need to register on the if you do the registration, so there are the four different types of registration. Like if you can do the integrated GST and registration. You can also register for the digital signature certificate. You can also update it here, or you can also register as an ICEGATE user and SEZ unit registration. You can also do here, and the other services like electronic filing, so you can do different types of different sort of filing using the different things like RES package or service center or email and website upload, web form. So there are the different types of filing that you can do through using this website, and also you can do the e-payment of the various duties like central excise duty, custom duty, SEZ mail duties. So now I'm going to explain you that the complete navigation on of this portal. So this is the home tab. Let me take you to the home tab. So this is our home tab. So on this home tab, on the top left panel, it has been mentioned the Indian Custom National Trade Portal. Indian Custom National Trade Portal 2.0, and it on the top left panel, the date and the time, the current date and current time has been mentioned. And if you have any issue and you need to resolve any kind of issue you are facing, so you can go to, on the help option, and here you can find the contact information. And if you have any queries like that is our based on the frequently asked queries, so you can also go on the site and you check the queries if it's really similar to that, then you can avail to this option too. Then this is the website map of this portal. So on the website map, like it has been mentioned, like on the main menu about section, what are the different sections have been mentioned. Then what are the different kind of services that they are offering, like e-payment, registration, electronic filing, then digital signature certificate. You can also you can register for the digital signature certificate. You can sign using the digital signature certificate, and there is an update as well. So then essential, what is essential? Like essential is basically the supporting document that you need to upload. So for the clearance, so here you can avail this option like if you need to upload any kind of invoice or the packaging list, so you can upload it here. And on the footer menu, the site map of this website has been mentioned, term and conditions, privacy policy, and the contact and public feedback you can give here. And now let me take you accessibility option. And yeah, you can also this website has been built for the two language, that is the English and Hindi. You can change to your preferred language by doing at this option. Like if you want to change it to the Hindi, so you will also avail it option by just clicking on it. And if you want to go back on the English, you can just click on the English, then it will turn out to be in English. And then there is a different accessibility tool as well. So like let me click on it. So, uh, I think there is some glitch here. So let it be. So here, using this accessibility tool, you can go to the dark theme, or you can adjust the size of this website, or there's a different option to here is like you can increase the size of your cursor. You can also avail the option of the screen recorder too. Okay. Oh, this is the accessibility tool. So here, like dark contrast. If you want to switch it on a dark contrast, you can do this. You can increase the text by availing this option. Then navigation adjustment like big cursor. You can also big hide cursor mode activated. Big cursor mode activated. Your appointment is now arrangement and more. Then hide image, and you can also on the screen reader too. So, so this is a different accessibility option has been here. Then, if you want to see the video tutorial for using this website like e-payment, how can you do the e-payment and at custom, e-bond, and Swift widget are also available. And let me take you there how can you log in. So just click on the login option. So this website is for the two users. They are the internal user and external user. Internal users are basically the officials like PBIC officials. So they just need to enter their ICEGATE ID and the password, then they can use this particular website. But if you are ICEGATE user, so if you are an official, so you need to enter your SSOID ID. But if you are an ICEGATE user, then you will enter your ICEGATE ID if you have. And if you forget that ID, then you can also avail the option of forget email and mobile option, and you can then log in it. And if you are the new user, so you can also register here. So for the registering at this particular website, you need reference ID. So if you have any reference ID, if you have already made the reference ID, you can avail this option and continue using the reference ID. But if you do not have any reference ID, then you can go for the fresh registration option. Then after clicking on this, press continue, and then you have to select the one row from the list of the option available. Like if there are the different options available. Like since this is for the different sort of users. There are the different types of external users, like airline, authorized terminal operator, exporter, importer. Like if I'm an exporter importer, so I will click on this, and then I'll proceed. And after that, I need to fill the IEC code and GST I need to, and then I proceed. Okay. So that is how I can uh, I can register, I can do the fresh registration, and also I can check the reports. So I can also publish the statistic report or the miscellaneous report, like statistic report here is like how many users, uh, EDI locations, like where the dashboard has been mentioned. Then bill of entry file, how many bill of entry file in the particular year, shipping bill file, and user growth, how many user growth has been. So system statistic has also been available. So if I tell you the benefit of this particular website, so there are the different sort of benefits have been for the different sort of users. Like it has increased the efficiency of the custom department, reduced the clearance process, and reducing the clearance process and the delays. Paperwork has been completely substituted with the online electronic based work. You can access it from the multiple location, multiple users can access it at the same time. Easy retrieval of the data, and monthly reports can be, and the monthly or the yearly report can be easily found on this particular website. And it has also increased the revenue efficiency of the government, because now there is no leakage in sort of leakage in terms of the custom duty payment and other thing as well. And this website has completely streamlined the process of the income tax department for the clearance process or export import businesses. So yes, so you can use this